welcome to the makeup part of my channel. My name is Olayemi. Today I want to show you how I do my simple quick makeup routine, and this is just best if you are going for a no makeup look or a skin on skin makeup look. Regardless of what you call it, it is just going to be your go-to. I have minimal product here to achieve the look. You can spend about 10 minutes or less to achieve this makeup look. I usually start with my primer. This is the Sparkle Beauty Matte Primer. I have been using this for a year now. So I just apply to the part where I know I sweat a lot, and that's my nose region, my cheeks, and my forehead. After doing that, I go ahead to tame my brows with this edge control from Overa. Just a little bit of it to tame my brows. You can use any edge control or brow tamer that you have. Anything can work. This is just to keep the brows tamed. Okay, now that I have tamed the brows, the next thing is to use a tiny bit of my Beauty by AD Luxe foundation. This foundation is the GOAT. I'm telling you, if you're looking for something very affordable and it still does the job, this foundation is what you should go for. So I just do a little bit of dabbing to all my dark spots. Yeah, those are the areas I'm concentrating on, just my dark spots area, and they have to be very minimal. Okay, and after that I use my beauty sponge to press in the foundation. Okay, and yeah, you can see the dark spot fading out already. So I just keep pressing and keep pressing till everything goes. And I try to avoid my under eye because we're going for a very natural look. You want to make that invisible as much as possible. Then I go in with my blush. This is the Omari Code Flushed Fusion in Rum Plum. All right, this is what it looks like. I use my brush, place it on my eye cheekbone. Okay. After blending in your blush, I take my LA Girl Pro Conceal, and this is in Fawn. Take a little dab, like that. Okay. Dab again. Okay. A little bit on my forehead, my nose ridge, my cupid bow, my jaw. So I pick this triangular beauty foam to dab in this part because I don't really want it to dry fast. Go to my forehead. All right, and I go ahead to put a little bit of concealer here under my brows. I go and I just blend it out. Just blend it out. It is time to blend out my under eye. See, it almost looks like I have not applied anything on my face, but I have. What this does is just to, accentuate your face and highlight wherever you need to highlight. Then the next thing to do is to set it with setting powder. This is the Flawless Ivy Loose Setting Powder in Honey. Pick up this small and tiny brush. This is my mascara for today. It's called Eclipser by Omari Code. I just wing my mascara. This is usually the style of the show when done right. It's time to brush off the powder. yeah, for my lips, I'm using the Marbrook eyebrow pencil in 01A3. And I just overline my lip. And then I take the Kiss Beauty in color 06 and I just dab on my lips, my lower lip. That's it. Dab it enough to change the color of my lower lip, and that affects the upper lip as well as I blend. This is the lip oil I'm using. It is also from Kiss Beauty. Maybe you guys can see well. It's also from Kiss Beauty, right here. And lastly is the finishing spray by Flawless Ivy. And we are done. You don't have to use this anyway, but you know, I'm going to be in church for a long time, so I needed to use something that will make the makeup stay for a while. So, ciao!